data mining, data warehouse, data analysis. They all mean the same thing, actually. We are all talking about the same subject. Data, data, data. Data mining, data warehouse, big data, data processing, data analysis. What are these? So it's all related to artificial intelligence, therefore machine learning. Is that every like the same? Oh, Caesar. Did you hear this before? I don't know. This quote is from Shakespeare. Jules Caesar, second act, second scene. Easy to remember. And after that, I think Brutus says this one. Brutus, stabbing him. Is that every like the same? O Caesar, the heart of Brutus yearns to think upon. That means everyone is not the same, Caesar. And what my heart is thinking, wants to think upon is this one. Everyone is not the same. So every data is not big data. That's why I put it here. You say, oh, got big data. Oh, yeah, really? Oh, got big data too. No, every big data is not alike. So to be a big data, you need some of the things like this: variety, velocity, value, volume, verification. This is important. So you need these features. It started with 3 and then 5. I added 1, 6. Some people add 7, 8, 9, but actually 3 is enough. But I have brought 5V here. Let's discuss what features make data big data. So is that every like the same? No, every big data is not big data. So the 5 V's of big data, which is very important for artificial intelligence. Let me say volume. You can just find it. Volume, the quantity. Of course, it must be big data, must be a lot of data. But there is a difference between big data and a lot of data. Have we got big data or large data? Big data. Every large data or big data, every large data or a lot of data, lots of data, let's say, are not big data. That's what I want to stress here. But quantity is important. Size is important, don't worry. The quantity of generated and stored data, this is important. The size, but when we are talking about size, we say terabytes, petabytes, not gigabytes. Size is this size. Size is important, but size is not everything. Just keep in mind. Then variety comes, the second one. Yeah, the order is different, but sorry. The type and nature of data. It should come from different sources, and it should be in different environments. It should be in different formats. For example, you get some data from Instagram, some data from your databases, some data from other statistical companies, from questionnaires. Some data are in text format, integer, double, video, image, etc. Or raster data. What are raster data? Raster data is used for geographic information systems, maps, Google Maps, Yandex Map. That data is called raster data. So it should be a mix of different types of data. Then we can start to say, there's a lot of data here coming from different sources, maybe data, big data, but we need another one. Third feature, velocity, the speed of data. It must be stream coming. Just imagine Twitter. They are posting. Air temperature changing all the time in the world. Every day it is changing. Oh, we stopped. No more temperature records. We can't say that. It must be coming, velocity, coming, fast, changing. Facebook data, Instagram data, shopping data, velocity. It must be in streaming format. These three are very important. And then comes veracity, the truthfulness. It must be reliable, of course. It must be real data. It must be reliable data. From one point of view, for example, Twitter data are not considered to be correct data because you know the word trolls, you just create some accounts and post things about it. You got several accounts to post, that. So in one point where you say Twitter data, is it veracity? Is it reliable? No, but must be. This is actually valid for any kind of data rather than big data. Doesn't need to be big data. Any kind of data should be reliable. That's why the third of them here. And value. Again, this is an important feature for big data, but not only big data, any kind of data. Even if you have got 100 records, must be valuable. If it is not valuable, that means we can't use it. So it is rubbish. That's it. So we have got 5 today accepted, but the most important is volume, and then comes variety, and then comes velocity, and then comes veracity and value of the data. But don't forget, this is important. Every large data, big size data, are not big data. Okay, so think about it. Because some companies will say that, you know what, we got a lot of data. You should see our big data. They don't have big data, but they think so. We have enough data. Okay, let's accept it. We have machine capable of processing them. That means computers, servers, etc. That's okay. We are rich. So will these be enough for AI? Is it okay? I have got data and big data. I have got machine. How do we know if there is artificial intelligence technology in our ecosystem? Who is AI? So AI is some integrated thing. There is not a button like AI. Some students come to me and ask, can you teach me AI? Just here, please, when we are drinking coffee, teach me AI. There is not a button that pressing and becoming AI. AI is composed of different things. There is not single AI. Maybe if you have watched my TEDx speech, you may have had some idea. It was in Turkish. Yes, it was in Turkish. You may have some idea about it. AI is an integrated thing. There's electronic in it. There's robotics sometimes. There's this telephones in it, cameras in it, voice recording, databases. Lots of things are integrated, and then it becomes AI. So there's not one AI thing. What if AI talks to you in social media? Can you understand it? Just, you know what? It's maybe a little bit scary. Let me give you an example, truth. When the artificial intelligence robot examines only 10 likes of you, some people like you, 10, it knows you better than average colleague or classmate in your cases. This is true. If AI examines 10 people like you, knows it better than your classmates, maybe. If it examines your 70 likes, so people like you, it will know you better than your friend. Not classmate, your friend. Your kanka, you say in Turkish. If it examines 150 likes, it will know you better than your parents. And if it studies more than 300 likes, it will know better than your spouse, your sweetheart. Isn't it scary? It's like that. If AI, then AI will stalk you in social media and find your AI likes. You are like your friends. Tell me your friend, I'll tell you who you are. You know this Turkish expression. AI can do that. This is a little bit scary. In this class, maybe we will discuss how to protect ourselves from AI, or you will find. So what is AI? We talked AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial, if you look up the dictionary, you will see this one very easily today. Made or produced by human beings rather than occurring naturally. This is AI, especially as a copy of something natural. Intelligence, we know that, the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. We know these two things. If you look up the dictionary, you will find this one. And artificial intelligence, I'm making the official definition of artificial intelligence to be asked on the exam, is a computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines, building of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. So it's a computer science, a part of computer science, deals with making intelligent machines. Those intelligent machines will work or react, or react means speak, move, understand, give you something, take something from you, ask you questions, react like humans. In general, this is how we define artificial intelligence. It's the ability of machine to act as blueprint of the human mind, a copy of the human mind, by understanding, not only analyzing and learning from data through algorithms. So what we understand, we need to do something. A machine will act like human. It will be a copy of human mind, and it will understand, analyze, and learn everything from data. So artificial intelligence today depends largely, mainly on data. So data is the fuel of AI, artificial intelligence. If you look at the implementations of AI today, we see chatbots, you can read all of them, games, astronomy, healthcare, I'm trying to read education, data security, human resources, human resource management, supply chain. These are some of the areas that we can see the implementations of AI. Let me give you some 4 examples about this: Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, Amazon. These companies use AI largely, or they are trying to use it. If I check I'm a user or subscriber of Netflix. I don't know Spotify, but I know Amazon a little bit, YouTube, and Netflix. I'm a subscriber. I can't say that Netflix is analyzing me very well. I don't think that they are using AI. I mean, they're trying to do something. What they are doing is business intelligence. Yeah, I'll tell you. You know, they're not good. Netflix is not good. They can't find me. I know myself. You know, they give me information. I don't like that movie. That means your AI is not working. It's the same for my friends. I ask them, they say no. Sometimes I can't find the movie or the TV show that I've been watching. So they're not good, but they're trying to use it. Don't say that, oh, Netflix is doing, no, they can't do that. YouTube, for advertisement, they are doing something. Not great. Amazon is good. Okay, I'll tell you. Amazon is good for today. Not great, but good. Netflix, it's rubbish. Most of the information we encounter during a typical day is customized. That's what they did. Whatever we do, for example, including our actions in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media content. And then we see online ads. Our reactions to online ads, etc., will be used as by artificial intelligence to be exploited for business purposes. That's the main idea. For example, let me give example. While the front page of the print version of the New York Times or China Daily is the same for all readers, the printed one. The front page or the online version is different for each user. They are trying to do this one. If they are successful, okay, then they are using or implementing a good AI. If it's not successful, they need to work a little bit harder. Another example, Google autonomous car. It's a product of AI. We all heard about it, and they say accidents have been reduced